Hey crypto crew, welcome back to the channel. So, you've been riding the crypto wave, maybe made some awesome gains, but then that nagging question hits, what about taxes in India? If you've been pushing that thought to the back of your mind, this video is your wake up call. Because in India, paying tax on your crypto profits isn't just a suggestion, it's mandatory. And ignoring it, well, let's just say the taxman has some not so friendly sections up his sleeve, like Section 271C and 276B, which can lead to hefty penalties and even prosecution. But don't panic, I'm your host Puneet, and today we're going to demystify crypto taxation in India. We'll break down exactly what you need to know, how it works, and how to stay on the right side of the law. Let's rewind. The real game changer came with the Union Budget 2022, when the Indian government officially brought crypto under the tax net by introducing the concept of virtual digital assets or VDAs. This umbrella term includes cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and other similar digital assets. So, what does that mean for your profits? Any income from transferring a VDA, whether you're selling, trading, or swapping crypto, is taxed at a flat 30%, plus applicable surcharge and cess. Here's the kicker. You can't claim most deductions. The only deduction allowed is the cost of acquiring that specific crypto. No setting off losses against other crypto or regular income either. Each profitable event is taxed independently. Now, how you report that income depends on your activity. If you're investing in crypto occasionally and holding long term, profits are treated as capital gains. You'll likely file using ITR 2. But if you're trading frequently, making multiple transactions across exchanges, it may be treated as business income, in which case ITR 3 is more appropriate. Since the financial year 2022 to 2023, all ITR forms now include a special Schedule VDA, which makes reporting crypto transactions clearer. Let's talk about penalties, because the income tax department means business. Section 271C comes into play if you are required to deduct TDS under Section 1, 94S but don't. In that case, you may face a penalty equal to the tax you failed to deduct. Section 276B is even more severe. If you deduct TDS but don't deposit it with the government on time, you can face rigorous imprisonment of 3 months to 7 years, plus a fine. Bottom line, avoiding taxes can get very serious very quickly. For the financial year 2024 to 2025, corresponding to assessment year 2025 to 2026, the ITR filing deadline is July 31st, 2025. Missed it? You can still file a belated return by December 31st, 2025, but this typically comes with interest and late filing fees. So aim to file on time. That 30% tax applies when there's a transfer and you make a gain. This includes trading crypto for Indian rupees, swapping one crypto for another, like Ether to SOL, and even spending crypto on goods or services. Each of these is a taxable event. You'll need to calculate and report gains based on the fair market value at the time of each transaction. It's not just selling that's taxable. Other scenarios that can attract tax include receiving crypto gifts worth more than 50,000 rupees from a non-relative, taxed as income from other sources. Mining, the value of mined coins is considered business income. Getting paid in crypto, taxed like regular salary, and earning staking rewards or airdrops, taxed when received, and again when sold at 30%. Honestly, that's a lot, right? Calculating gains from hundreds of trades, tracking airdrops, figuring out fair market values, it's practically a full-time job. But here's the good news. You don't have to do it manually. Coinex is India's leading crypto tax platform, designed to make your life easier. With Coinex, you can integrate over 300 plus exchanges, blockchains, and wallets automatically, calculate gains and losses accurately, generate tax-compliant reports for ITR filing, and handle NFTs, DeFi, staking, and more with ease. Sign up for Coinex today using the link in the description and file your crypto taxes with confidence. If this video helped you understand crypto taxes better, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a drop. Got questions? Crypto tax dilemmas? Drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, Crypto Crew. Till next time, trade smart, stay informed, and file right.